A warning notice from the district attorney in Reno County is cautioning local CBD and vape stores against selling THC products.
And that includes the commonly advertised Delta 8, Delta 9. KSN's Aditi Lamba went to Hutchinson to speak with the DA and a local CBD store to get both sides of this warning. Aditi.
Jeff, Julia, Reno County's DA sent out a notice to many CBD stores and vape shops to remind them about the Kansas cannabis law. It went to all who sell any hemp products in the area. I spoke with a CBD store owner in Hutchinson and the DA. Some local CBD stores in Reno County concerned there is a gray area when it comes to cannabis.
It frustrated me because I've seen this over and over again in other counties where people have come out and they've came to a business like ours running legitimately.
Hyatt says the products warned about in the notice, like vapes with THC or Delta 8, are not sold at his store. So he was confused when he got that letter.
I was a little more frustrated that it did show up. That, I mean, as much as we've been trying to make cannabis not a bad thing, that it still is what it is, and cannabis is a bad thing, is what they think.
His concern? That the notice could hurt small businesses like his. But District Attorney Thomas Stanton says this is not an effort to target anyone.
We're not going to be taking businesses' products and testing them for THC. But we also don't want people to be in a situation where they're putting themselves or their businesses at risk by selling illegal products.
He wanted to send a reminder of the law after law enforcement told him some stores have THC percentage higher than the allowed 0.3 or less.
I'm trying to make sure that nobody gets arrested and nobody gets prosecuted under the statute. But I am going to enforce the statute as the legislature wrote it, and people need to understand that.
The DA encourages people who are buying these products to check the label and ensure they're using items with the allowed THC percentage. He sent the warning after law enforcement told him some stores were selling products like vapes with Delta 8 and 9. The DA saying instead of arresting or prosecuting them, he decided to raise awareness.
You know, if you've got a business who is selling illegal products and making money on that, that's not fair to all of the producers out there who are following the law and are making sure that every product that they sell or that they put on the market is legal.
We don't sell Delta 8. We made that decision because of our growing, so we don't want to lose our growing license. We're just like, we're going to stay out of the gray area. We're going to just stay legal as we can.
The DA saying he is not planning to raid stores or create panic, but wants stores to understand and follow state laws. He encourages all businesses to consult with legal advisors to ensure they stay within Kansas laws. Here for you, Aditi Lamba, KSN News 3.